Okay, today I'm making my favorite black chickpeas. This is the ingredient list. We're going to start with blitzing the first 4 ingredients and cooking them down a little bit before adding the spices. You want to add the turmeric and salt first so the onions break down. And then you are going to add the whole spices. You can crush them a little bit if you want to, but I just add them whole, let them stir around, let them become fragrant, and then we're going to add in all of the dry spices and let the moisture completely evaporate before adding in the acid, either the mango powder or the tomato paste. Mix it around. You can start to smell the fragrances at this point. It smells beautiful. Add in 2 cups of the cooked black chickpeas or white chickpeas or any other lentil or protein that you like. Add in about 2 cups of water, and we're just going to let this cook down and become fragrant and let all the flavors really come together and assimilate. The whole thing mellows out and you have this wonderful, fragrant black chickpea stew. This is one of my favorite meals ever. Comfort food at its finest. Takes about 30 minutes from start to end, as long as you've got your protein all ready to go, which I always do. So please enjoy. I like this with rice and a salad. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.